This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Miele Optima dishwasher that isn't heating up. The water's not getting hot. Might be an F24 error, which is the heater relay that needs to be replaced. Could also be from this part here, which is the heater itself, which is attached to the motor. So this part's a little bit more expensive, a little bit harder to replace, so it's probably wisest to try the cheaper relay first. So we're going to unplug the dishwasher first for safety reasons, and then we just have to get the dishwasher out of the cabinet. On this one there were 4 screws holding it in from the sides. Sometimes there's screws holding it in from the top, so you just want to check to see where you see the screws. Again, this one is just 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and these are just Torx 15 fasteners that come with the Miele dishwasher, and they're part of the installation. Some installers don't use these. Sometimes they just push the dishwasher into the cabinet. Sometimes they install a couple on the top, but in this case there are 4, 2 on each side, so we'll remove those. I'm just going to wiggle it out now toward me. Sometimes you have to lower the legs to get the dishwasher out. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. This one had enough clearance, so I'm just going to wiggle it out, get it out of the cabinet. The Miele typically gives you enough drain hose and intake hose where you don't have to disconnect them. You do want to turn off the power. So now I'm just going to lay it back on its side. I've already gotten all the water out of the sump by using a turkey baster just to suck out the water. So I'm going to lay it on the side. I did put a towel down because a little bit of water will still come out. Now I'm just removing a couple of screws from the front and then a couple of screws that are located near the rear feet or rear legs. And then I can get this drip pan off. And once the drip pan's off, the heater relay is just sitting right there. So it's super easy to get to. I removed the parts that hold on the kick panel so I had better access to these front screws. You don't really have to. You can kind of work around that part that holds the kick panel. So just 4 screws holding on the drip pan. You can pull that out of the way. There's our heater relay, upper left hand corner. It's really easy to remove. First thing we'll need to do is just get the little wire connectors off. So we're just going to pinch and wiggle down, and we're going to go ahead and put that onto the new relay just so we don't get them mixed up. We'll do the next one, and then same thing, we'll just pinch and wiggle, get out all 3 of them, and then we'll plug them into the new relay. So we got that new relay put in, and now I'm just put the drip pan back in, reconnected the power, and I'm going to push it back into the cabinet and then give it a test. I turned it on and no more F24. So in our case it was just the heater relay. Again, it could be the heater element, which you can get at espares.com, and they cost about $95. So we've got this one working again, and turns out it was the easy part, the heater relay. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.